Hello guys, as you may know, a new model named Qwen 3 Coder was just released. It's open source, on par with Claude Sonnet 4 in benchmarks, and it is specially tuned for coding tasks. In this video, we will tell you how to use this model for free, with unlimited usage and no restrictions. Then, we will run a complex coding website design test between Qwen 3 Coder and Claude 4 Sonnet to see who is the actual coding king. So let's start. First, to use it for free, search Qwen. Now go to this site. Here, make sure the model selected is Qwen 3 Coder. And then you can use it for free, with or without login. Let's start with Who Are You? See, it is working as we needed. Now, time to test it as we said. This is Claude 4 Sonnet here, without thinking enabled, as Qwen 3 Coder is not thinking enabled for now. As you can see, I told the AI to make one single HTML file for a premium, exclusive game dev site. It should look super modern and clean. It needs a Play Now section with a fully working space shooter minigame built into the page. This is the main part to test the AI's real coding skills. Includes hero, projects about, and footer with branding. So let's start with Sonnet. Wait now. It's done. Site is here, let's download it. Let's test it now. The website is working. It has all needed menus and layout elements. It has a great layout. Let's test the game. So the minigame is partially working. Whenever I click the spacebar, the page moves to the end, causing difficulty to play. Although the game is working and can be playable after fixing the spacebar or changing the key to fire. So let's try Qwen 3 Coder now. Same prompt here. Wait now. It's done. Let's download it from here. Now let's try it. The website is working as well. It has all requested layout. Let's test the game. The minigame is not working. It is stuck whenever I use the spacebar, so not working at all. So that's a major bug in the code. So it failed this. In total, Qwen 3 Coder is great but still not as good as Claude 4 Sonnet in real-life coding scenarios. So this ends the video. Thanks for watching.